Sometimes you finish grilling your food and you find out that while it looked almost burnt outside, the insides did not exactly cook. You likely used a regular grill, which burned too fast, cooking the outside and leaving the insides uncooked. A pellet grill, on the other hand, slowly cooks your food like an oven, heating it from the inside out and back inside, giving you just the right amount of cooking as you like. If you're looking for the best pellet grill for your next summer barbecue, there's no need to look any further because we've compiled a comprehensive list for you. While listening, if any one sounds like the perfect one for you, click on the link in the description and it will take you straight to it. Do not forget to subscribe and turn the notifications on for the Consumer Sherpa YouTube channel to get more information on household items like this one. That said, we present our list of the 5 best pellet grills that money can buy. Ready? Let's go! Z-Grill's Wood Pellet Grill. Making the number 1 spot on our list is the Z-Grill's Wood Pellet Grill, which costs $430.70 on Amazon. This pricey beauty is 450 SQ, wrapped in smooth bronze, and is a 6-in-1 smoker barbecue grill with auto temperature. This pellet grill comes with PID technology that keeps the temperature consistent from when you start cooking to when you finish. A constant temperature is how you get well-cooked meat. The Z-Grill's Wood Pellet Grill does not only grill your barbecue, it is designed to bake, braise, grill, sear, smoke, roast, and do everything else. It is a multi-purpose steel and hardwood grill that will last you through the test of time. It is easy to assemble and clean, and the temperature control is at its best, giving you the chance to get only the best from this product. It has a smart smoke controller, which you do not have to babysit. Simply set it, get on with your business, and you will return to a well-cooked, not burnt meal. They have a 3-year warranty to prove their durability, which is why they get the number 1 spot on this list. Green Mountain Pellet Grill. Moving on to number 2 on our list, we present the Green Mountain Pellet Grill to you. This grill costs $379, and it is perfect for camping trips. It is foldable, compact, and can fit right anywhere. It weighs just a little over 60 pounds, making it easy luggage for people who need to move it around. Some fractures include a meat probe, a peaked lid, and a convenience tray. The most important feature is the thermal sensor called SenseMate. This grill is also Wi-Fi controlled, so you get maximum comfort from using it. The benefits of the Green Mountain Pellet Grill do not include durability, so that's something you should take note of when buying this pellet grill. TRAEGER Pro Series 575 Pellet Grill. Third on our list of the best pellet grills is the TRAEGER Pro Series 575 Pellet Grill at $360. The first thing you should know about this pellet grill is that it is app-enabled and controlled by Wi-Fi. It is super comfortable to work with and does not require constant attention when grilling. It comes in 2 colors, black and bronze, with an electric cord for a power source. Another fun thing about this pellet grill is that you can connect it to Alexa and activate voice control. Imagine grilling a Thanksgiving turkey by talking to Alexa. Cleaning this grill is easy because it is made from porcelain, which is a plus. After all, cleaning regular grills can be very stressful. This pellet grill is from the future. The downside to this grill is that you cannot use it for big friends and family gatherings because it can only hold 4 things at once. Either 4 burgers, chicken fingers, turkey pieces, or steaks. It's not entirely a downside, as that means you can pack it up and go camping as long as you can create a power source for it. It is easy to install, assemble, and take apart, giving your food a smoky flavor that would also come from a regular grill. This grill does not promise durability, so keep in mind before you make the purchase. Pit Boss Wood Pellet Grill. Taking the number 4 spot on our list, as we are almost getting to the end of this list, is our Pit Boss Wood Pellet Grill at $349.99. With a 465 square inch cooking surface, this pellet grill offers easy grilling, baking, smoking, roasting, and more. It comes with 2 removable side shelves, or serving trays by the side, and other utensils that will make grilling easy for you. If you need to move it from one place to the other without decoupling it, it has 2 large wheels to aid movement and make that easy for you. The hopper capacity is 5 pounds, and it can take a burger capacity of 20 at a time. So, yay for large gatherings. The pellets are made from premium hardwood. No chemical additives or extra artificial flavors are added. This pellet grill is made of premium steel, so you are assured of some level of durability for more than a year at least. It is easy to assemble and use, and you get good value for your money when you get the Pit Boss Wood Pellet Grill. Camp Chef Wi-Fi Woodwind Pellet Grill. Finally, we have gotten to the last pellet grill on our list, and that is the Camp Chef Wi-Fi Woodwind Pellet Grill. This pellet grill costs $899, and it is Wi-Fi and Bluetooth controlled. It also has a PID controller, measures 811 inches in cooking surface, and is made of solid steel. It has 4 meat probe ports, 4 meat probes, and other utensils that would make the grilling process easy. It provides a temperature from 160 Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, which can be controlled from your phone. This pellet grill has got you covered if you want the taste of the regular grill on your food. It has a slide and grill feature that allows you to get an open flame on your meal. The smoke levels go from 1 to 10, and you can control them using the smoke control on your device. With this pellet grill, you can host a little over 30 people for a barbecue party and get the whole grill experience. There you have it, the 5 best pellet grills for your summer barbecue. If you find anyone worthy of your money, click on the link in the description and make that purchase now. Do not just take our word for it. Get one, grill something, and you can thank us later. Do not forget to subscribe, and see you in the next one.